1, 2, 3.
Pizza time! Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook Tandoori Naan Pizza. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video. Right now I'm going to cut my vegetables. I'm starting with 1 cup of red bell peppers. To make this not too big, chop them small. Next I'm going to cut 3 scallions in smaller pieces. Scallions are now chopped and ready to go. Now I'm going to chop up 1 cup of cremini mushrooms. This looks pretty good. First thing we are going to do is start preparing the topping for the pizza, and the first topping we'll be doing is turkey meat, and then we'll add to that other toppings as you see later on. This is a store-bought minced turkey and I made hamburger from that. To start, I'll put a little bit of oil in the skillet and put it on medium heat, and as it heats up a little bit, I'll start making hamburger in that. The oil is now hot and I'm going to put hamburgers in that. I'll be keeping this hamburger 2 minutes on one side and then I'll turn it and 2 minutes on the other side. You can see the color changing at the bottom. That gives us the indication that it's getting better now and it's cooking. Now it's about 2 minutes. I will turn the hamburgers now. I'll put about a tablespoon of soya sauce. By poking the knife here, I am letting the juice come out a little bit. Now I am going to turn the hamburger and press it so all the juice will come out. Not all the juice, but some of it. Now I am going to put about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Right away I turn it, press it. Now the hamburgers are chilled. Now I'm going to move this on this side and leave it on low heat so the inside of the hamburger will cook. Now we'll cook our vegetable in this pan, and this is the rest of the oil from the quarter of cup we had. The heat is still on the medium and we'll let the oil heat up a little bit. First we'll put mushroom in this. Next we'll add bell pepper. Next we'll put scallions and we'll cook this for about 5 minutes and put a quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. We'll keep stirring it a little bit. 1 tablespoon of light soya. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. What's happening now is all these ingredients are getting softer, and when you make pizza, all the soft ingredients will taste very good. And it's about 2 minutes now and I'm going to turn the heat to low. I'm going to cut this burger into small pieces and mix it with that. I'll add this to the mix here. Now all the taste will blend in. We'll leave it here for about a minute or so. The topping is now ready. Now we are ready to make the pizza. This is a naan which is very soft and thick. When the pizza is finished, it will taste similar to deep dish pizza. Put the topping first. Now I am going to add already grated mozzarella cheese on top. I'm going to cover it as much as I can on the side till the end. This pizza is ready to go, and we are going to make 2 of these in total. Now I have both pizzas ready to go. To finish off these pizzas, we have to broil it from the top. That's on the high broil. By broiling this pizza, it will melt the cheese and finish the pizza. So I'm putting in the first pizza. This is on the top shelf. This will now take about 3 to 3.5 minutes and it will be done. It's about 3.5 minutes and I'll take it out now. You can see the pizza nicely done, all melted cheese and ready to go. These are our finished pizzas ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so and hit the bell button so you are notified each time we post a new video. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends. Until next time. Look how good this pizza looks like a deep dish pizza. Look at the cross section and you can see all the ingredients nicely cooked, and pizza is ready to eat. It's time for the taste test, and first bite we'll give it to Shah. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah. Kaise? How is it? Good? I'll have a bite from this too. Good taste, cooked proper, and very enjoyable pizza. Now the second bite. She took the second bite, she must like it. It's a very soft pizza, and I'm going to take a second bite too because it's so good. Foot of tough and filling.